Wasting hours on that moss-covered patio, you're probably using the wrong pressure. Most people crank it too high and destroy their mortar, or go too low and make zero progress. Here's the sweet spot. For natural stone and pavers, stay between 1000 to 1200 psi with a 25-degree nozzle. Softer stones like flagstone, drop to 800 psi max. This range strips moss in one pass without chipping stone or blowing out joints. Test a small corner first, keep the wand moving, and watch that green nightmare disappear without the damage. Hit subscribe for more pressure washing secrets that actually save you time and money.